You know I keep that K with me, nigga play, put his face on the motherfucker T. Dre gon' take him off his feet, hop out the wheel, leave his head deceased. Don't trust niggas, so always stay alone, but always gotta keep that motherfucker heat. Aim over net, we don't aim for the feet. Last nigga try to play, got blitzed cause he tried to play with me. Now he up on the motherfucker screen, he wanna smoke, now he a fiend. I don't give a fuck for nigga try to play, get hit with that motherfucker beam. Kill his ass like some motherfucker bleach. Better not speak on the gang, or else he get hit in your friends. I'm a rich head nigga, my spinning the big body Benz. Never took a loss, I always take the wins. Speak on my name, leave your ass in the wind. Big ass Glock, I don't need to hit the gym. Fuck on the bar, but I can't be your kin. I don't need to do it, but I do it cause I can. Talking down, gon' spin like a fan. Big ass Glock gon' shine, gon' get that boy a 10. You know I keep that K with me. Nigga play, put his face on the motherfucker T. Dre gon' take him off his feet. How about the wheel, leave a nigga deceased. Don't trust niggas, so always stay alone, but always gotta keep that motherfucker heat. Hey,
let's go. They call me Deadshot, we seen the headshot. We get a head part, we get a headshot. Bond so hard, like I'm feeling like test guard. Chop so big, on knock out your dreadlock. Hop in the pad, nigga know that I spin like. Whole lot of chops while I pull up in parking lot. Fuck these bitches, be like the barking lot. Get out my way, to lean like a starter lot. Pull up a glass, nigga know like a sparking lot. Whip not hard, nigga know that I spaz. A bitch wanna fuck me, little bitch I'll pass. Young nigga stay with a top coat cash. Cash me a bitch, not car toe tag. Now stay getting money, nigga know I should fuck fat. Whole lot of chops, nigga know we gon' bust his ass. 100 round Drake, nigga know I got 100 bands. Pull on that block, nigga know we gon' bust his ass. Man, mom, I'm getting that fast cash. Still in the trap, I'm getting that bitch, that big red bitch, that big man. Hey, let's go.